model, 2014 plate Fiat Doblo cargo Doblo 1.6 16-valve XL Multijet Lwb fuel pressure issue No Vat. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 106,666. MOT, 3 October 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 263 A5000, E5, C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs great on easy start. Needs high-pressure fuel pump replacing. Has fault code for low fuel pressure, worst case needs fuel pump replacing. Engine sounds perfect and runs on easy start, not a problem at all. No VAT to pay, absolute bargain. Very clean van with sensible mileage. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable.